subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has silently launched its new smartphone under Play series in China called Honor Play 5T Pro. Talking about the specifications, the Honor Play 5T Pro features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 94.2% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Honor Play 5T Pro supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 64MP primary camera with f1.9 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery that supports 22.5W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with Magic UI 4.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.68 by 73.3 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 179 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor Play 5T Pro has been priced in China at 1,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in titanium silver and magic night black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from August 11th. So what do you guys think of this Honor Play 5T Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.